Hello guys, before I start explaining in this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. In this video, I want to show you about Python numbers. There are three numeric types in Python: int, float, and complex. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. To verify the type of any object in Python, use the type round brackets function. Now, I want to show you with making an example in my screen. X equals 1. It's for int. Example. Y equals 2.8 and it is for float. Example. Now Z equals 1G. It's for complex. Example. Then I want to type print for each type from X to Z. X, you can see class int. Y, you can see class float. And the last Z, you can see class complex. Then I want to show you the explanations for each Python numbers that I showed you. First, int. Int or integer is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. Now, I want to make an example in my screen. X equals 1, Y equals whatever you want, but it should be a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. Then Z, it is for a minus. Example. I want to type X, then Y, then Z. Now the second topic is float. Float or floating point number is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. Float can also be scientific numbers with an E to indicate the power of 10. And for the last, complex. Complex numbers are written with a G as the imaginary part. In the float and complex section, I don't give further examples because they are the same as the previous example. Next, I want to show you about type conversion. You can convert from one type to another with the int, float, and complex methods. For example, X equals 1 for int examples, Y equals 2.8 for float example, and Z equals 1G for complex example. Now I want to type comments, convert from int to float. Then A equals float X. Now I want to type comment convert from float to in. B in Y. Now I want to type convert from in to complex. C equals complex X. Then I want to type print A, then print B, print C, then print type A, type B, and plus type C. Okay guys, that's all. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.